Yeah, let's start with question number one. What is incident? In question number one, incident means the any unexpected or the unplanned disturbance that occurs in the work which disrupts the work. It means the incident. And what is service request? Service request is the request that is made by the users to access some services or the necessary information. And other is what is problem and how do you handle recurring issue in the ticketing system. A problem is any incidents or the disturbance that arise by a user, which we called problem. And we can handle such type of problems by following some points. I have mentioned some points, like first of all is identify the problems and log the problem. Then after categorize and prioritize the problem. And then after diagnose and investigate the problem. Then we can give the solution and communicate with stakeholders to update the progress. At last, we need to monitor and update system and prevent recurrence. And in the question, another question is what is change management. Change management is the structured process used in organization to manage services, to manage uh, services or the IT systems or the infrastructures in a controlled and systematic manner. This also helps to minimize the risks, disturbance, and uh, while applying effectively. And what is the difference between client and service request? As I mentioned, or the as I told in the previous, like incident means the certain things or the unplanned disturbance that occurs during the work which disrupts our work is incident. And the request means that the request which is given by the users to access some services or the information or the necessary information, which is called service request. And ITIL. What is ITIL? And tell us a scenario how you have utilized ITIL framework in previous role. ITIL is a set of practices that manages IT services, and it also focuses on the delivery of IT services and give operations like IT services, like we can install the applications and then resetting the password. And then we can provide or we can install the antivirus for the computer who have the problem of hanging the computer and makes the slow computer. And what is ticketing system? Ticketing system is a tool that is used by the organization, and it is used to track and manages request issues and also incidents reported by the users. It also helps to resolve the issues by the respective members in a specific time. So in most of the organization, the commonly used ticketing systems are Freshservice, Zoho, and then ServiceNow and Jira, etc. And describe the process you would follow when handling a support ticket. Yeah, handling a support ticket. It involves like a systematic process, like to ensure that timely giving the resolution and effective communication and customer satisfaction. I also mentioned some steps here, like ticket acknowledgement and understand and categorize, assign and escalate. Another thing is the investigate and the implement, and then we need to communicate with the customers. Then after customers about the update of about the progress about the progress, and then close the tickets and ask for feedback. And how do you prioritize ticket? We can differentiate the tickets or the prioritize by following points like P1, P2, P3, P4. We can assign for the P1, it is critical one, and P2 for high risks, and P3 for medium, and P4 for low. What are SLA and how do you affect ticket management? SLA is a formal agreement between customers and the service provider which define the level of service expected. Like I have mentioned some points that help in ticket management, like prioritization. First thing is the prioritization, and then time management, and then escalation protocols, resource allocation, and customer expectations, and then we need to monitor the performance and the progress of, and update the progress. And the last one is we can give the automation in ticketing system. That's it. Thank you.